Or Jake. Jake, are you getting a special treatment, Jake? Fernando, what are you doing?
Taking a bath.
You taking a bath, or you playing with Jake in the water?
I'm playing with Jake in the water.
Oh, he loves that. Look at that face.
Jake.
He's loving it. Look at that. Fernando, you're missing my ears. My ears need a massage too. There you go.
You're drinking from the water. Nasty water.
Oh, Chubby got jealous. He's like, why are you? I don't get a massage like that.